Alrighty folks, so now we're going to look at the second example. How are we going to write from the verbal expression to the algebraic expression? How am I going to write the with numbers and symbols and variables? Okay, so you have this guy right here. It's written as 5 less than a number c. Okay. And I know that less than right here means it's an operation of subtraction. Okay, so if it's 5 less than a number c, I'm going to start with c as my starting value. So I have a number c right here, and then whatever is the expression is 5 less than that number c. So I'm going to subtract 5 from that c, and that should be my answer right there. Okay. That's another way to write it. Okay, so now let's write for 9 plus the product of 2 and d. Alright, I know plus is addition, and I know product is multiplication. So now let's write this out. 9 plus the product of 2 and d. So if I want to write multiplication, I could just write the number and the variable right next to each other. So that would be the answer. Okay. Now let's have an algebraic expression for 2/5 of the area A. Okay, so A represents the area, and then 2/5 is a fraction. So of, what does that stand for? If you look back at your table, of is actually the operation for multiplication. So I would have 2/5, right? 2 to the numerator, 5 to the denominator, and then multiply it times the area of A. So I could just write it like, I'm going to multiply it like this. There are two ways to write it. You can write it either as, on the side like that, or on the numerator. Either way works. So I want you to try some on your own this time. You have this problem, you have this problem, and you also have this problem right here. Okay, I want you to try that using the examples what you did before as a little reference. Okay, go for it.